On a hot afternoon, the ID Motor Workshop received a patient with a fairly serious condition. The rear tire was bent and the door and trunk were badly dented. The owner said he was the victim of a hit and run by an irresponsible car. This time, a mechanic from Pakistan, named Mr. Doyok, took over the reins. He is a foot mechanic. Level 9. Mr. Doyok said, before the car's undercarriage turns to ashes, it can still be repaired. First, Mr. Doyak opened the tire and analyzed what needed to be repaired. After that, Mr. Doyok told the owner what needed to be replaced and repaired. And Mr. Doyak only replaced the shock absorber, though long axle and axle only need to be straightened again. After repairing the long axle and leaf spring, Mr. Doyak installed new, original shocks. Then Mr. Doyak added more transmission oil to make the gear shifts smoother. The undercarriage problem is resolved, so let's move on to repairing the dented doors and trunk. Because the owner wanted the car finished quickly, because it would be used to transport vegetables. So whether he likes it or not, the workshop owner must activate full power. This time, Mr. Vardi, a Pakistani alumnus, was assisted by two people, his assistant and Mr. Pelakok, the Prindopan mechanic. Because this job requires level 9 speed and expertise, even a plane in flight chose to stop for a moment to see their skills. The next stage is puttying by Mr. Pelakok, so that the remaining previous repairs are completely covered. Then spray epoxy so that the putty and paint last up to a century. Next, the Pakistani alumnus paint expert, Mr. Gentop, sprayed the paint precisely. The next stage is polishing by the expert, Mr. Diat, from Bangladesh, who is also an alumnus of Pakistan. Polishing removes dust and orange peel from painting and ensures the sharpness and glossiness of the color are visible. And here's the result. The body is smooth again, as if it just came out of the dealership. The car's undercarriage and wheels are no longer tilted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow our channel.